most recent projects in the Cully neighborhood. This is our house on Simpson Street and it will be up for sale soon. Come on in. So the first thing you'll notice in this entry is this gorgeous light, which you can also see from the exterior, which is just, I think, a nice way to welcome you home. Then right off the entry, we have a nice office, which is just filled with all kinds of natural bright light. It would be a great place to get some work done. So this is the powder bathroom on the main level. This will be the bathroom that your guests use, that you use when you're, just in the main kitchen and great room space. For this, we wanted to keep it really sleek with the floating vanity. And then of course the wall-mounted plumbing, just for something a little fun and different. So this is the great room space, kind of centered around this gorgeous contemporary fireplace. This is a gas fireplace, which will keep you warm all winter long. It does put out heat, but it's also super easy to use because you just flip a switch and it's on. Then off the great room, we have this lovely kitchen with all kinds of storage galore in here. We just kept things really sleek and simple in this kitchen. We have the flat panel cabinetry, cooktop here on this back wall. So no oven beneath, but we have our oven over here. And then right above it is your microwave. Also a nice pantry here. This nook is just a really nice little snack coffee bar. This is a great place to just kind of put things that people might be accessing while you're cooking, so that they are not getting necessarily in your way. So we have this gorgeous refrigerator here, and then just a little bit of extra space for those types of small appliances or snacks. All right, let's go upstairs. Here we have just a little bonus extra space. You can use this a couple different ways. You could put like a small office up here. You can put a seating area. You could put, just a TV area up here if you want, a gaming area. There's kind of all sorts of ways that you could use this type of space. This is our hall bathroom. We have a nice double sink vanity here with lots of counter space, which is nice. And then all kinds of, multi-purpose space underneath.
Got my finger in there.
Oh. And then here we have our tub shower. What I love about this tub shower is the tile goes all the way up to the ceiling, and these are really tall ceilings, you can see. So it just gives it a really big, grand, luxurious feel. This is the laundry room. This is where your washer and dryer would go. But there's also a sink in here, which I think is so key for a laundry room. This is one of our 4 bedrooms in this home. 3 of them are your more standard bedroom, and then we of course have the master suite, which we'll get to. But these bedrooms are really nice. They face the front of the house. These 2 of them do. And they have nice closet space, brand new carpet of course, and they're just really functional spaces. This is the master bedroom leading into the master bath. This is just a huge room, tons of space in here. You could definitely put your California king bed, as well as maybe a seating area or reading nook. It's just the possibilities are really endless in here. This is a nice functional space. This is the master bathroom. We have, of course, a double sink vanity with the wall-mounted plumbing, which is, again, just something kind of different and fun. Again, ample storage underneath, a water closet, and the real highlight of this bathroom is this huge master shower. Here we have a double shower head. We have your standard wall mount shower head and then of course a rain shower. You can control these separately or together. And then here is a ledge in the shower. I like these better than a shower niche. Of course this adds a lot more space for all your shampoos and body wash, everything that you need. And it's just a little bit different than your standard shower niche. And then of course we have a walk-in closet, so you can fit all your clothing and shoes. This is the dining room space, which is right off the kitchen in the great room, kind of adding to that open feel. But this looks out at our private fenced backyard and covered patio outside. We haven't landscaped this yet, but once we do, it'll be really gorgeous back here. But you can see it's just kind of a nice space. So that's the house. I hope you guys like it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. But yeah, thanks for watching.